Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Android Student, where we will help you to learn about Android development. Let's start with our video, which is data type in Kotlin. There are majorly 5 types of data type in Kotlin. Those are integer, character, boolean, string, and float. If you want to understand how computers store values and how memory representation of data type work in computers, please check this video, where we have explained about how memory representation and data type work using Java. So now let's dive into different data type available in Kotlin. Are you ready to explore? Let's go. Data type are the basic building block of for storing different kind of information. First of all, we have character. Character uses 2 bytes of data to store its value. It can handle alphabet and symbols. It uses a sky table to represent values of character. There are some basic operations that can be performed on character, which are first one is uppercase. So in order to convert any of character into uppercase, we can call this method. Second one is quote. So in order to obtain a sky code of character value, we can call quote property of character. Similarly, we have title case. In order to convert it into title case, this title case function can be used. Next, we have integer. Think of it, which can say whole number, positive or negative. Kotlin gives us 4 flavors of integer data type. First one is byte. It is tiny, just 1 byte. It can be used to store number from -128 to 127. Next, we have short, slightly bigger than byte, and it uses 2 bytes of memory to store data. It can handle number from -32768 to 32767. Next one, we have integer, the workhorse. It will use 4 bytes of memory to store data. Last one, we have long, the big daddy. It uses 8 bytes of data to store number, and it covers a numbers range from negative to positive, as you can see on screen. There are some of basic operations that you can perform on integer data type. Those are, first one is plus, if you want to perform sum of two numbers. Second one is shift left, so it's used to shift sum of bit of integer toward left side. Next one is until, it helps to reduce range from one number to another number. Next data type, we got float and double. It used for decimal numbers. Float will take up to 4 bytes, and it is good for about 6 to 7 decimal digit. Similarly, double, it's bigger than float. I use 8 bytes of data to. Similar like integer, we have basic operation on float that are shifting toward right or left, performing plus, and finding until range. Next data type, we have Boolean. These are super simple, just 1 byte storing either true or false. There are some of basic operations that can be performed on Boolean are XOR or AND NOT. So these are methods defined in Boolean class, and all we have to just call. Next data type, we have string. String is another type of data type given by Kotlin, which have to store array of character. With the help of string, we can store name and description. String can help to retrieve character value from a particular position. For example, if you are particularly interested to get value on fourth index, you can use to retrieve its value. If you still want to explore operation in detail, we have given detailed link in description. Next, let's explore some very important feature of Kotlin, that are mutability of data type. Mutables are, once we have saved some value, it cannot be further changed anymore. Similarly, we have mutable, that can be, if we have stored any value in our variable, that can be changed further. In order to implement immutable, we use val, and for immutable, we use var in Kotlin. Next interesting feature of Kotlin is retrieving value with the help of dollar. Let's say you have saved some value in any variable, and in order to retrieve value, generally how do we use in Java is we append our value along with our message. But with Kotlin, with the help of dollar, in order to retrieve a value along with message, all it needs to be embedded into a message along with variable name, and that's it. Next, let's see how we declare our data type in our Kotlin and how to retrieve those values. There are a couple of data types that we have created, and that's how we are retrieving it using println statement. Let's summarize what we have learned so far. Variable in language store these input and each variable has a data type. Specify the kind of data it can hold. Data type include number 0 to 9, letter, ABC or decimal point. Act as label for the stored information. Kotlin offers various data type including integer, floating point, number, character and booleans. Permitted data type in Kotlin serve as a basic building block for storing information. Integer data type include byte, short, int and long. Each have varying size and range. Floating data type hold float and double, suitable for decimal number with different precision level. Character data type hold a single character, utilize the sky table for representation. Similarly, string can hold array of character. Booleans are simple, store either true or false. Other than that, Kotlin helps us to distinguish between mutable and immutable. Using val and var, it can be achieved easily. Similarly, we have $, which help to retrieve value easily. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Developer signing off.